our 1 mold Popsicle maker machine. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 22.5 inches, a depth of 22.5 inches, and the overall height of 53.5 inches tall. Height applies from the bottom towards the top of the canopy for the motor. Coming to the inside of the Popsicle maker machine, included will be a single basket with removable top cover and 40 molds to create 40 popsicles. Measurements for each mold will include 1 3/4 inches in length, 3/4 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. These are the slim mold popsicles, and each roll will contain 10 rolls of 4s, creating 40 popsicles in total. This popsicle maker basket will be included with this machine. Coming to the bottom will be the supply main and valve. Coming to the side will be your main controller to operate and run this popsicle maker. You have your power button along with the functions such as cooling, beater, and the settings. Coming towards the back of the unit will be the 110-120 voltage plug, and this unit is ETL certified. Instruction manual, as well as additional components and Teflon tape will be included with this purchase. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.